I'm going to show you how to make these caramelized bananas. Start by peeling a ripe banana. Remove the ends and cut it into 3 sections and cut each one diagonally. Take one of the banana portions and the offcuts and mash them up with a fork. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a tablespoon of lemon juice and mix together. Then heat a non-stick frying pan on medium heat. Once it's hot, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. I use Nuttelex, but you can use whatever butter you like. Wait until the butter is melted and starting to bubble, then add the bananas angled side down. If this is the first time you've made this, make sure to keep an eye on them as it only takes a few minutes depending on your cooktop. Once golden brown, flip them onto their flat edge and grab a small bowl of caster sugar. Gently place each of the angled sides into the sugar and place onto a metal baking tray. Once you've done this with all the banana, it's time to make the banoffee sauce. In the same pan, on medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar and the banana puree mix you made earlier. Mix it all together, then stir in 2 tablespoons of coconut cream. Bring to the boil and then add a pinch of salt. Stir in another 2 tablespoons of coconut cream, taste if there's enough salt, then remove from the heat. If you have a blowtorch, awesome. If not, like me, place the bananas under the grill for about a minute or until the sugar has melted and begins to bubble. Grab your plate and smear about 2 tablespoons of coconut yogurt across it. Place the banana along the smear and add some crushed walnuts. Squeeze over the banoffee sauce and sprinkle with some desiccated coconut, and enjoy. This is my first attempt at making this dish and I have some ideas on how to improve it, so I'll be back to try this again. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Cheers.